Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin this evening with news from St. James, where security forces in Montego Bay are on high alert following the murder of a popular TikTok content creator. The deceased is 23-year-old Marlon Samuels, also known as 41 Bussed. He was shot and killed by heavily armed men in Montego Bay Friday evening, just hours before his birthday on Saturday. He was killed while live streaming content. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang has taken note of the brazen gun attack and says measures have already been put in place to prevent possible reprisals.
Last night killing is opening up the potential of a gang conflict, which we are aware of, and I've asked, and I know the police is going to take every step to prevent the kind of retaliation and war that could break up between two gangs in Montego Bay. They will move aggressively and hard to, I said, disrupt any of that. I think that this TikToker is related to someone who is considered a leader in the underworld in Montego Bay is just purely coincidental.
Samuels, or 41 Bussed, as he was known, is the second TikTok content creator to be murdered by gunmen while live streaming content in the last 2 weeks.